want to learn how to swim. I want to learn how to swim. I like fresh orange juice. I like fresh orange juice. I like drinking coffee. I like drinking coffee. I need to buy a birthday gift. I need to buy a birthday gift. I want to sleep early. I want to sleep early. I want to drink water. I want to drink water. I need to check my emails. I need to check my emails. I want to start a new hobby. I want to start a new hobby. I like reading books. I like reading books. I need to clean the kitchen. I need to clean the kitchen. I like working from home. I like working from home. I want to travel soon. I want to travel soon. I want to cook dinner. I want to cook dinner. I like walking in the park. I like walking in the park. I add cheese to the sandwich. I add cheese to the sandwich. I like eating breakfast early. I like eating breakfast early. I slice the bread. I slice the bread. I like listening to music. I like listening to music. I need to buy food. I need to buy food. I want to visit the mountains. I want to visit the mountains. I like cooking dinner. I like cooking dinner. I like learning English. I like learning English. I need to leave the house. I need to leave the house. I need to finish my work. I need to finish my work. I like watching the sunset. I like watching the sunset. I want to write a letter. I want to write a letter. I like fresh orange juice. I like fresh orange juice.
I need to fix the broken chair. I need to fix the broken chair.
I need to buy a birthday gift. I need to buy a birthday gift. I want to eat now. I want to eat now. I want to eat now. I need to eat now. I need to eat now. I like meeting new people. I like meeting new people.
I need to take a shower. I need to take a shower.
I need to call my friend. I need to call my friend. I need to make breakfast. I need to make breakfast. I want to buy food. I want to buy food. I want to buy food.
I like sleeping late. I like sleeping late.
I want to sleep early. I want to sleep early.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe!